In the last class, we discussed about law of demand and explanation of law of demand with the help of its schedule and diagram. In today's class, we will discuss about expansion and contraction as well as increase and decrease of demand. They are two, you can say, quite similar to each other, and that is why students number of times get confused. There is one difference, very minute difference between the two. One, that is price. One, that is expansion and contraction. It is something which is because of price, and increase and decrease is something which is over and above. It is you can say due to other factors than price. So we'll understand the concept with the help of diagram. We'll also understand the concept of individual demand and marketing. Okay, so let us start with our topic. Students, so today we are going to start with your expansion, contraction and increase and decrease of demand. Now let us understand the difference between expansion and contraction and increase and decrease of demand. Expansion and contraction is something which takes place when there is a change, you can say when all other factors are constant and only price is moving. Okay? When price moves, when price changes, all other factors, that is expectation of future prices and all other factors, या फिर price of basic goods, substitutes, not basic goods but complementary goods and substitute goods, they are constant. Then we have you can say population is constant. So all other factors affecting demand are constant, only price is moving, that is price is either decreasing or increasing. Then we have expansion and contraction of demand. ठीक है, जब सिर्फ प्राइस मूव करती है, ऑल अदर फैक्टर्स आर कांस्टेंट, यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है व्हेन प्राइस changes and other determinants are constant, there is you can say expansion or contraction of demand. Increase or decrease of demand on other hand is when price is constant. इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज में क्या होता है, प्राइस कांस्टेंट है, अदर फैक्टर्स आर मूविंग, अदर फैक्टर चेंजेस. मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल पॉपुलेशन वुड चेंज, प्राइस इज सेम, पॉपुलेशन चेंजेस, पॉपुलेशन या तो इंक्रीज हो जाती है या फिर डिक्रीज हो जाती है. ठीक है, ड्यू टू दैट रीज़न. या फिर सब्सिट्यूट गुड्स की प्राइस इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज हो जाती है, फ्यूचर एक्सपेक्टेशन चेंज हो जाती है, इनकम चेंज हो जाती है. Income is also very important factors. Income changes, price is constant, income changes. So that will have an impact on you can say demand of a you can say that will bring change which is known as increase and decrease of demand. Okay, so let us start with the first one, that is expansion and contraction of demand. Expansion and contraction के लिए your you can say schedule would be, आपका schedule क्या रहेगा, schedule would be something like that कि that your price it is 1 2 3 4 5, प्राइस आपकी 1 2 3 4 5 है एंड उसके सामने आपकी डिमांड है 5 4 3 2 1. ठीक है, या फिर इसको प्राइस को आप 100 कर दो, 200 कर दो, 300 कर दो, 400 कर दो, 500 कर दो, आई डोंट माइंड. प्राइस डिमांड को आप 5000 कर दो, 4000 कर दो, 3000 कर दो, 2000 कर दो, I don't mind. What the thing is, the important thing is that your price, it should be when your price is high, low, you can say lowest, at that time your demand should be highest, and when your price is highest, at that time your demand should be lowest. ये combination नहीं भूलना है कभी भी. ठीक है, so that will be your schedule for demand. टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया है 5 4 3 2 1 price and demand is 1 2 3 4 5. Now we will take a middle point, any middle point, कोई भी middle point ले लो. यहाँ पे हम 3 को ले लेते हैं middle point. So अब जब हम 3 है तो उसके नीचे हम देखते हैं, उसके ऊपर देखते हैं, तो 3 से ऊपर जब हम जाते हैं, when we'll move upward, that is when price is moving up. मतलब प्राइस जो है 3 के ऊपर increase हो रही है, that is 3 to 4. when the price increases at that time, जब प्राइस इंक्रीज हो रही है एट दैट टाइम द डिमांड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स मतलब कम हो रही है, डिमांड इज कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग. एंड व्हेन यू कैन से प्राइस इज डिक्रीजिंग, यहाँ पर 3 से नीचे जब हम जाएंगे तो डिमांड एक्सपांड्स. अगर हम लोग देखें तो 5 to 4 price is decreasing, 4 to 3 price is decreasing. 3 to 1, price is decreasing. 2 to 1 is also price is decreasing. When the price is decreasing, at that time demand is expanding. And when price is increasing, अगर price increase हो रही है तो demand is contracting. समझ में आया? So when price increases, decreases, it will have contraction and demand, you can say expansion in the demand of a commodity. That is due to, you can say, change in price. Okay, so let us see. You can see we put the values over here. When price was 5, this is your price was 5, at that time your demand was 1. When price was 4, at that time your demand was 2. When price was 3, at that time your demand was 3. When price was you can say 2, at that time your demand was 4, and at you can say 1, it was 5. So this is a diagram which you get. It is when it is moving, take one single point, any single point. When you are moving downward, it is known as expansion. Upward, this is your contraction. Clear? Clear with this? Try to solve it. You can use any value. You will get the same answer. Okay, let us move further. That is increase and decrease of sorry, demand. Now in increase and decrease of demand, the prices of the commodity, we will take any stagnant price, we will take as price as 3. That means price is not changing. Price is constant. हम suppose demand is changing, maybe take one reason, that is population. That the population is increasing or population is decreasing. So initially when the population was less, due to that when price was 3, the demand was 1. Less number of people were there. ठीक है? Then with the same price 3, the demand increased. Like for example, ये हम लोग ले लेते हैं पार्ले जी बिस्किट, है ना? पार्ले जी के बिस्किट, अभी स्कूल बंद है तो डिमांड 1 है. स्कूल में फिर कम बच्चे आएंगे तो 2 रहेगी. फिर स्कूल में बच्चे बढ़ जाएंगे तो 3 हो जाएंगी. उससे ज़्यादा बढ़ेंगे. एज द स्कूल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इंक्रीजेस, कैंटीन में सेल्स बढ़ने लग जाएगी. सो एंड इफ देयर विल बी नो स्टूडेंट्स तो देयर वुड बी नो सेल्स. समझ में आया? तो दिस इज मे बी द प्राइस ऑफ बिस्किट्स एंड दिस इज द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु आर कमिंग इन द स्कूल. If the number of students are less, then the demand will be less, and if the number of students are more, then the demand will be more. Price is constant. Price is not moving. Got my point? So let us see this in the diagram. अगर आप diagram में देखेंगे तो price is 3. ठीक है? Even when the, you can say when the demand was 1, at that time price was 3. When the demand was 2, at that time price was 3. When the demand was 3, at that time price was 3. 4, it was 3. 5, it was 3. So all the time it was 3. So we will have a straight line. ठीक है? Which is, you can say move, you can say all along with your x-axis. Now you can see, अब हम इसमें एक middle point ले लेंगे, that is your point A. कोई भी एक point को हम middle point consider करेंगे. When you are moving on the left hand side, it shows the decrease, and when you are moving on the right hand side, it shows the increase. So this is the difference between your expansion, contraction and increase and decrease. क्या difference है? Expansion, contraction takes place due to change in the, you can say, price, and increase and decrease takes place due to change in the demand. Sorry, change in the other factors, 4 भी other factors. ठीक है? This is all about your expansion, contraction and increase and decrease of demand. Sorry, I hope all of you understood. Next topic would be your individual demand and market demand. ये बहुत easy है. Individual demand का मतलब क्या है? Individual demand मतलब demand of a one person, and market demand मतलब demand of group of people who are there in the market. Suppose if I go in the market and I demand one commodity, that is individual demand. But when all the people of Ahmedabad, they go in the market and demand for some commodity, that is market demand. For example, मैं market में जाके बोलती हूँ मुझे एक Pepsodent दो, that is my demand. But if how many people in Ahmedabad demand for Pepsodent, that is market demand. So individual demand का combination क्या होता है? Market demand. Y demand, some other person will demand. I demand is one person's demand, and when 1,000 people in the economy will demand, that will become the market demand. Okay. Let us see the you can say relationship between individual demand and market demand. Individual demand, for example, यहाँ पर दिया है, देखते फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्राइस ऑफ अ कॉमोडिटी इज 10,8,6,4,3. सो एज यू ऑल नो व्हेन द प्राइस डिक्रीजेस द डिमांड विल इंक्रीज. डिमांड क्या होगी? इंक्रीज. बट वो इंक्रीज हर इंडिविजुअल के लिए अलग अलग होगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन द प्राइस वॉज 10 एट दैट टाइम फैमिली 1, मतलब एक फर्स्ट फैमिली ने 1 यूनिट की डिमांड की, सेकेंड फैमिली ने 2 यूनिट की डिमांड की, थर्ड फैमिली ने 3 यूनिट की डिमांड की. ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि फर्स्ट फैमिली में 2 मेंबर्स थे, सेकेंड फैमिली में 4 मेंबर्स थे, थर्ड फैमिली में 6 मेंबर्स थे. तो 2 मेंबर्स ने 1 यूनिट डिमांड की, 4 मेंबर्स ने 2 यूनिट, यू कैन से 6 मेंबर्स ने 3 यूनिट्स. बट इन तीनों को सपोज हम लोग एक हाइपोथेसिस बनाते हैं कि देयर आर ओनली 3 इंडिविजुअल्स इन द मार्केट, so that 3 individuals will make 6 units. 2 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 6. So this 6 will be your 1 plus 2 plus 3. That is your market demand. So the demand of individual A, B and C will make the market demand of that product. ठीक है, ये एक हाइपोथेसिस हमने बनाया है कि there are only 3 individuals in the market. And then the price decreases, it goes to 8. So the demand for family A, it increases from 1 to 2, second family 2 to 3, third family 3 to 4. So overall demand will be 2 plus 3 plus 4, 2 plus 3 plus 4, that will give you 9. ठीक है. Likewise 8 6 8 4 और you can say third one क्या है 2, तीनों टाइम पे the demand of a commodity will you can say increase but in a different proportion. Now let us make the diagram for this demand curve of A. It is something, it starts from you can say 1 unit till you can say 5 units. Demand curve of B, it starts from 2 units till 6 units. Demand curve of C, it starts from 6 units to you can say 18 units. कर्व सबके यू कैन से नेगेटिव है, बस उसका जो यू कैन से स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट और एंडिंग पॉइंट है इट इज़ डिफरेंट. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द फैमिली टू फैमिली. एंड लास्ट इज द मार्केट कर्व. दिस विल बी द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ए बी एंड सी. ए बी सी तीनों का जो कॉम्बिनेशन होगा दैट विल स्टार्ट, इट विल बी द बिगिनिंग ऑफ योर मार्केट कर्व. ओके, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर मार्केट कर्व. लेट अस स्टॉप हियर बिकॉज नेक्स्ट टॉपिक विल बी क्वाइट लॉन्ग. तो अगर हम लोग उसको कवर करने जाएंगे तो हमारा लेक्चर बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, फिर वो मुझसे अपलोड ही नहीं हो पाएगा. सो विल स्टॉप हियर. योर होमवर्क फॉर टुडे विल बी, फर्स्ट वन विल बी what is increase and decrease of demand. Explain with the help of example. ठीक है. Second one will be what is expansion and contraction of demand. Explain with the help of diagram. Third one would be, third question, क्योंकि हमने 3 टॉपिक कंप्लीट किया आज. Explain the individual, explain the individual demand and market demand with the help of diagram. Okay, this is for today students. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye for now students.